In this video, I'm going to discuss a feature within ECW called My Pool. Let's get started. I'm going to be showing you this feature in the telephone and web encounters window. Notice in the top left-hand corner where I have my assigned to, and I have my name listed here. Over towards the right-hand side, I have my ellipses where I can search for a different user to see their specific assigned to telephone or web encounters. And then I also have the letter P. This P stands for My Pool. Now, the way that users get into your pool is by clicking on this ellipses, and you can simply select the appropriate user. So I'm going to choose these first three users here, and then down towards the bottom left-hand corner, I'm going to click Add to My Pool. In the top right-hand corner next to My Favorites, I have the option for My Pool. So I can select this button and see everyone who is listed in my pool. What this means is I now have the option to view all of these different users' telephone and web encounters at one time. Now, this is specific to just me as a user, and this is also specific to just my telephone and web encounters window. You do have the option to create a pool in your other Jelly Beans, such as your documents or referrals or your labs. However, you do have to create a new pool for each different Jelly Bean. So this one is only specific to my telephone and web encounters. If I wanted to remove someone from my pool, I can simply put a check mark next to their name and then hit remove from pool down here at the bottom. Once I click my OK button at the bottom right hand corner, to access my pool, I can simply click on this P and it's going to add both of those users listed here. So from both of these users, there's actually only one telephone encounter in their T Jelly Bean, and this one is assigned to Eileen. If I wanted to do this same thing in a different jelly bean, I would then have to navigate over there. So for example, underneath my D jelly bean, I have the letter P listed here as well. But once I click on my ellipses and I go to my pool in the top right hand corner, notice it is completely blank because I have not yet created one for this particular jelly bean. I would follow the exact same steps by selecting the appropriate users that I want to be added in and then clicking Add to My Pool in the bottom left-hand corner. Once I click on my P, I can see all of the documents that are associated with these particular users. That concludes our video. Thank you for joining.